Good afternoon, everyone. Today we'll solve more problems. We will continue solving problems from chapter 3. Uh, Please write your name and student ID, okay? You write it here, okay? Muhammad Bilqis, can you help me with solving this one? Find dy over dx by implicit differentiation. 2x squared plus xy minus y squared equals 2. Yusuf,
Yes.
yes, can you help me with solving this?
Yes. So we can just start by taking derivative of the first term normally. It would just be 4x.
So for x,
And then we have plus, so this would be product rule.
yes,
So we have y one term, keep y, differentiate x, and then for that term we keep x and we get y prime. It's simply y prime because the other one goes to 1.
yes,
And then this one will be 2y times y prime,
yes, equals what?
0.
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Now the next problem. ردهما, right? This name is ردهما, right? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Bishar?
Yes, Professor.
Yes, I need your help with this problem now.
Okay. It's e to the power of y
So e bar y
plus x times y derived times e to the power y.
so like this
Yeah.
equals,
Equals 1 minus y derived.
yeah, thank you. Now Ayan,
Yes, Professor.
please help me with this problem.
Okay. So this one, first you have to derive sine xy, that is cos xy,
So cosine
into
xy times,
now we do use the product rule.
yes,
So y
y,
plus x y dash
yes,
is equal to minus sine x plus y into 1 plus y dash.
thank you.
After this, we have to open the bracket on
And
both sides.
no need, this is good enough.
This is good enough? Okay.
Here we need to find we need to solve for y prime explicitly.
Yeah, it's written to saw find y prime, so don't we have to open the
Yes,
bracket and
so let's
everything and
continue.
then
So y cosine xy plus
xy
xy prime cosine xy equals minus sine x plus y plus x.
professor should be minus or the
So minus y prime sine x plus y. Next, we solve for y prime. Do you want to move
yes.
it to the left side?
Yeah,
Y
we have
prime?
to move it left side.
So let's move it to left side and y cosine xy to right side. So we will get yes. So xy prime cosine xy, then plus y prime sine x plus y equals minus y cosine xy minus sine x plus y.
X plus y.
Now from the left side we take y prime as common factor. So we have y prime times x cosine xy plus sine x plus y. This equals, so this equals
This is
this.
same thing.
Then y prime equals this divided by this.
Right, yeah.
Do you have questions about this? Is this good? Now we will solve the next problem. Thank you, Ayan. Yes. Now, Elias, do you hear me?
Yes, Professor.
Please help me with this problem. Find dy over dx by implicit differentiation for xy equals square root of x squared plus y squared.
I'm not sure where to start, Professor.
Okay, I will solve it. So here xy we need to use implicit and the product rule, okay? So here this one, first you choose whether you want to start with differentiating x, fixing y, then let's differentiate x. So you have y because you fix y now, then plus, now you fix x, differentiate y, it becomes xy prime, then this equals the square root. We use chain rule and implicit, okay? It will be 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus y squared times the derivative of inner x squared plus y squared. So it will be 2x plus 2y y prime. The idea of implicit, it's also a chain rule. For example, sine y, when I differentiate sine y, the inner function is y. So the derivative is cosine y times the derivative of inner. What's inner? Y prime. So the idea of implicit, it's the same as the chain rule. Now let's continue this problem. So if you want, you can cancel 2 from here and here, because division distributes over addition, so you can cancel the 2. So then you have y plus x y prime equals x over square root of x squared plus y squared, then plus y prime over square root of x squared plus y squared. Same idea, we will solve for y prime. Move this to the left side, move y to the right side. Then you have, I will take y prime common factor in the left side, okay? So it will be like this: x minus y over square root of x squared plus y squared, y prime. So here this one, When you move it to the left side, this part here, it becomes minus, right? So here we have minus y over square of x squared plus y squared. And here x is positive, so here we have x. But I take common factor. Now this equals what? Move y to the other side, it becomes minus y, but we still have x over square of x squared plus y squared. So minus y. Next, we divide, right? So like this. Is this clear? Is it good? Do you have questions about this? Now the next problem. Now problem 18. Read Hima. Read Hima Amin. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Now, thank you, Ilyas. Now, Gahala Ahmad. See the screen. Do you hear me? Gahala Ahmad. Samha Shadan. Samha Shadan. Shahad. Shahad.
Yes.
Yes. Can you help me with this problem? If g of x plus x sine gx equals x squared, find g prime of 0. Do you know how to solve this?
Yes.
Okay. What's the first step?
We find g of 0.
First we differentiate, right?
Yeah.
So we have g prime of x plus, here we use product rule and chain rule, right?
Yes.
So it will be what? Do you want to start differentiating x or sine?
Sine.
Okay, so x cosine g of x, g prime of x, right?
Yes.
Then plus,
Sine g of x.
yes, 2x. Also, let's find g0 as you told me. When you substitute 0 here in this equation, what do you get? So let's put 0. You get g0. Here 0 times sine g0, 0, right? Equals 0. Because x squared, 0 squared is 0. So now we have all given information, right? We can, now we can substitute g0 equals 0 and find the value. So substitute x equals 0, we get g prime of 0 plus, here x 0, so we don't have this term. Then here sine g0 is 0, so we don't have it. So this equals 2 times 0, 0, right? This problem turns out to be boring, right? Let's hope the next one is... do you have questions about this? Now problem 19. Thank you, Shahid. Now Hana Ahmed.
Yes.
Can you please help me with this problem? use implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the given point. Let's first write the equation of tangent. We have m equals f prime of a, derivative at a. Just 1 second. So derivative at a, this is the slope, and we have the point as a f of a. Then the equation y minus f of a equals m, which is the derivative f prime of a, x minus a. So we will use this equation. The point is given, a f of a is given. So we just need to find the slope, right? How to differentiate this?
First we say
We use
2y
yes.
and
So 2y.
y prime, and we keep the 6 minus x, and then plus
Y squared times
y
f of 6
square,
minus x, which is minus 1, right?
right?
So minus y squared. This equals what?
This equals 3x square.
Thank you. Now, now to get the value of the slope, we substitute x equals 2, right? So let's substitute x
Right.
equals 2. So we have 2. What is the y value when x equals 2? The y value is the square root of 2, right? So 2 square root of 2. Y prime, we don't know the value, we are trying to find it. So y prime of 2. Here you need to be careful about the confusion of writing here. Here, when I'm writing y prime of 2, I don't mean 2 times, I don't mean multiplication. I mean 2 here as input, okay? Now 6 minus x, substitute 2, you get 6 minus 2 is 4, right? So times 4. Minus y equals the square root of 2 when x, so here we are substituting x equals 2, y equals the square root of 2, okay? Square root of 2 squared, so minus 2, right? Then equals 3 times 2 squared, 3 times 4, 12. Good?
Yeah.
Now, so this equals 8 square root of 2 y prime of 2 equals, add 2 both sides, you get equals 14. Divide y prime of 2 equals 14 over 8 square root of 2. Then this equals 14 square root of 2 over 8 times 2. Multiply up and down by square root of 2. Then we cancel here. We have 7 square root of 2 over 8. Right? Let's hope it's right. I think it's right. Because it's just, we cancel 2. It's not a big deal. Now, what's next? We just substitute in this nice formula, right?
Right.
So, no. Yes, let's substitute. So we get the y value is the square root of 2. So y minus the square root of 2 equals 7 square root of 2 over 8 times x minus 2. Please remember to write your name and student ID. Now, as you like, if you want to simplify more, you can simplify. You can multiply this number here, here, and then you add the square root of 2 to both sides. You decide whether this is necessary or not. Now, the next problem. The last one I asked was Hannah, right?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Samha, do you hear me now?
Yes, Professor. Actually, my name is Samha Shaban.
Yeah.
So
Samha.
I got confused.
Yeah. Now, we have this nice problem for you. Use implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the given point. We are given the point. Let me show you again the equation of tangent.
Mm-hmm.
It's here, this one. Me, I like sometimes to write the details. For example, write the formula, even if it's easy. It's good to write
Yeah,
it.
exactly. Yeah.
Now, so let's differentiate this, right?
Yes.
How to differentiate this?
So first of all, let's expand.
No, without expansion.
No?
There is easier way. You need to make it easy for yourself. You can use chain rule, right?
Okay.
So 2, I mean, what's the
Uh,
derivative of this
um,
here?
it will be
2 times the let's do it. So we have constant will not affect the derivative. So 2
mm,
times, now this here,
2.
x squared, right? It will
Yeah,
be 2
2.
times the derivative of inside.
Exactly.
No, not the derivative inside, it will be later. But need first to write x squared plus y squared, same thing. Then now
And
get
then the inside we will get the
2x.
differentiation of it. So 2x plus 2y.
Y.
Yeah.
So we are done with the left side. Now this equals what? 25 times
25 times 2x minus 2x, 2y and y prime.
yes.
Okay.
Next we can divide both sides by 2, right?
Yes.
Because here this 2 with this, because when you divide, so let's write that. You divide like this, 2 divide by 2, because division distributes over addition, we cancel the 2's.
But if we're going to divide the the 2 multiplied by 2 will go as well. And the 25 over 2 will be divided, right?
No, when you divide, you just divide, for example, if I have 5 times 4, for example,
Okay.
when I divide by 2, this equals 5 over 2 times 4, or equals 5 times 4 over 2. So you divide one of them, not
Okay.
everything.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
here before distribute, I mean dividing one of them, this is a 20, right?
Yeah.
20 divided by 2, 10. See here, 5 over 2 is 2.5. 2.5 times 4 is 10. See this one? Here 4 over 2 is 2. 2 times 5, 10. So be careful of this. Because
Okay.
sometimes students, they divide everything. But you need to be careful about this. Now,
Okay.
now we substitute the values, right? I mean the value of x and y to get... but let's write this after simplification. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4x squared plus y squared times x plus y prime equals 25 x minus y prime. Now what's the point here? 3, 1. So x equals 3, y equals 1. We substitute this. Yes, it's correct. So x equals 3, y equals 1. So this equals 4 x 3 squared 9 plus 1, then 3 plus y prime. This equals 25. 3 minus y prime.
Okay.
But y
So we need.
y prime at 1. I mean at 3.
Okay. So we need to get the y prime.
Yes.
This plus 3 or what is that? Multiply 3.
3 plus y prime over 3. 3 minus y prime over 3. You substitute x equals 3 and also y prime.
I got it negative 0.31.
Negative 0 point here.
The y prime.
Let's write it. But let me make it here again. So here
No,
we have
wait.
y prime
I
of
was
3.
something wrong.
This equals 25.
No, it will be negative 0.23.
1 minus y prime over 3. So you found the final answer?
Yeah.
Y prime over 3 equals what?
Negative 0.23.
0.23.
Yeah. Is it wrong or what?
I don't know. Let's check
I,
that.
I did it with the calculator automatically.
So 43 plus y prime over 3. Let's multiply 40 inside. It will be 120 plus 40 y prime over 3 equals 25 minus 25 y prime over 3. Then add 25 both sides, 25 y prime over 3 I mean. So you get 60 y prime over 3. Also subtract 120 both sides, you get minus 95. Then y prime over 3 equals minus 95 divided by 60. Is this correct? I think yes, it's correct. Yes, this is good. Now this value here equals what?
It's negative 1.58.
Negative 1.58.
58.
3 repeating, right?
Yeah.
So this is the correct one.
Mm.
Now let's substitute in the formula. So you can substitute it as a fraction. I mean here no need to substitute this exact value. Keep it as a fraction, maybe it's better. As you like. So here y minus 1 equals minus 95 over 60 x minus 3. Thank you. Now غاية العلي.
Yes, Professor.
Yeah, I need your help with this problem here. Find y double prime in terms of x, y, and y prime. How to solve this? We differentiate, right? So you get 2x plus, for this one we use product rule. So we get x y prime plus y plus 2y y prime equals 0. Since he tells us in terms of x, y, and y prime, no need to simplify, right? I mean, no need to solve for y prime, I mean, and then you differentiate it. So we can start differentiating again. We get 2 plus. Now I will differentiate this part, okay? X, y prime using product rule. So it will be y prime plus x. So y prime, we fix x. I mean, we differentiate x, it's 1. Then we fix x and we differentiate y prime, right? Which is y w prime. Good? Then plus derivative of y is y prime plus 2y prime. What's the derivative of 2y prime? It's 2y prime y prime plus 2y y w prime equals 0. Then we solve for y w prime. These two, they have y w prime, so we take y w prime as common factor. So y w prime x plus 2y. Then move everything to the other side. So we have minus 2 minus y prime. But before that, y prime plus y prime is 2y prime, right? So it will be minus 2y prime. Then minus 2y prime squared, because here you have y prime times y prime. Next, you divide both sides by x plus 2y. So y w prime equals minus 2 minus 2y prime minus 2y prime squared over x plus 2y. Now, if you want to solve in terms of xy, what do? The question tells you in terms of xy and y prime, but if assume it's in terms of xy, what do? Here, you solve for y prime. You get y prime equals what? Equals minus 2x minus y over x plus 2y, right? Here I take common factor, and then we move everything to the other side and we divide, okay? If you substitute this down, you get the answer in terms of xy. Do you have questions about this? Is it clear? Good. Now, your name is Ancient, right? Do you hear me?
Professor, can you hear me?
No, this one.
I thought, sorry, Professor, I thought you called me.
Ancient.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Professor.
I will I will give you this problem. Now we have this nice problem. Let's hope it's nice. No, without screenshot. We can take it using this one here. So I need your help to find y w prime, okay?
Yes.
How to do this here?
So first we take the product rule.
We differentiate, right?
Yes.
So we get x y prime, then plus y, right?
Yes.
Plus
Plus
e to y
e y
y prime
y prime
equals 0.
equals to 0.
Yes. Now we differentiate again, but before that,
Yes.
if you want, we can solve for y prime if you want. We get y prime x plus e to y equals minus y, right?
Yes, Professor.
Then y prime equals minus y over
X plus e raised to the power.
x plus e to y. Next, what do we do next?
We take derivative
Yes.
again.
So y w prime equals x plus e to y minus y prime, right?
Yes. Minus
1 plus e to y
1
prime
plus e y prime minus y
minus y over
x plus e y whole square.
yes, thank you. Now we want the value of y w prime at x equals 0, but we also need to find y prime, right? So let's see. We need to find the value of y when x equals 0, and the value of y prime when x equals 0, and the value of y w prime. Now let's start with y from the original equation. If you substitute x equals 0, what do you get? You get e to y equals e, right? This
Yes,
means what?
Professor.
y equals 1, right?
Yes.
So we have x equals 0, y equals 1. Now from this equation, the one we solved for y prime equals what? Y prime of 0, 1 equals what? Here I'm substituting both values of x and y. So we get minus 1
Minus 1
over e, right?
1. Yeah.
Next we substitute all these values in y w prime. So we have x is 0, so forget about x. We have now y equals 1, e to 1, e, right? Minus y prime, it will be 1 over e. Then minus 1 plus e times minus 1 over e times minus y. Minus y is minus 1 over e squared. So now e times 1 over e is 1 minus 1 times minus plus. Okay, so I will put it plus 1 minus 1, 0. So this one is 0 over e squared. So the answer of this is just 1 over e squared. It's good. 1 over e squared is good. Do you have questions about this?
Professor, for y prime, it would be minus 1 upon e.
Here?
Yeah, if you go up, yeah, minus 1 by, I think you can substitute that.
Now here I multiplied the minus 1 at right.
Okay,
Here it becomes a plus. But here e times minus 1 over e is minus 1, right? So 1 minus 1 is 0. So this part is 0. Then we have here, when you substitute x equals 0 down, you have 0 plus e to 1. E to 1 squared is e to a squared, right?
yes,
Okay. Is it clear now?
yes.
Yes. Now, Hana Ahmed, I asked you already, right? Yes, I think I asked you.
Yeah.
Now, David, it's your turn now.
Okay, Professor.
I will give you this problem 23. Now, let's go here. We have find equations of both the tangent lines to the ellipse x squared plus 4y squared equals 36 that pass through the point 12v3. But let's find again the equation of tangent and copy it here down. Yes, it's here. It's better to write the formula. Yes, we can start. So we need to
Okay.
find, we have the point, so we need to find the slope, right?
Yes, so first we have to take the x squared plus 4y squared equals 36
Yes.
and isolate everything to one side so y can be alone in order so we can derive it to get the slope.
Okay. So we have 4y squared equals 36 minus x squared.
Minus, yes.
Then
Divide
y
by
squared.
4.
Yes, we have 36 over 4 is 9 minus x squared over 4.
And then square root everything.
No need for square root. It's easier to keep it as this.
Okay.
Because when you put square root, you need to put plus or minus.
Ah, yeah, you're good.
So keep it
And then
like this. Now, how to differentiate this?
implicit differentiation.
Yes,
So it will be 2y times y prime equals
9 is 0, minus x squared is
1 over 2x.
minus x over 2, right?
Yeah, x over 2.
Then here you divide by 2y, right?
Yes.
You get y prime equals minus x over 4y, right? Yes.
Yes.
Now, here my intention was to differentiate implicitly from the start, but your idea is also very nice, to isolate y before differentiating. So thank you. Now, how to find, we need to find, to substitute 12 and the 3, right?
Yes.
uh, so x equals 12, y equals 3.
-1, correct?
Yes, -1.
And then you have your slope, and then you can just substitute into the equation of a tangent, and then you should be done.
Yes. So we have y minus 3. Y minus 3 equals
-1 x parentheses x minus 12,
yes.
and then you can just bring the y to the other side. You'll get y equals minus x plus 15.
Yes, thank you. But there is a problem with our solution, right? Because there are two tangents.
Yes.
It might be that we should have done as you told me to.
To keep plus or minus to get to different solutions.
But the problem, even if I put, but why I don't have the second solution this way? It's strange, right? No, let's see again. We want find equation of both the tangent lines to the ellipse. Ah, we misunderstood the question. Do you see?
No. Or is it asking for us to find?
No, we solved the question in the wrong way, because here it tells you you want to find two tangents of this curve that they will intersect in this point, at this point. But me and you, we solved it as if that this point lies in the curve and we are finding the tangent for it, right?
Yes.
So let's solve it again. But it's good. We need the slope, right? So we need the value -1. No, we don't need it because this point doesn't even lie in this on this curve. So let's remove this solution. Now let's think differently, right? I think we still need the derivative. Let me no.
Professor, with the points, weren't the points given there at 0 and 3, and then 24/5, and then 9/5? If you look at the ellipse, the
Yeah.
2 points that connect there are the ones that will eventually intersect at 12/3, or
Yes.
12 and 3.
Yes. But I think we still need to find the derivative again. It was y prime equals
Minus x squared, no, minus x over 4y.
4y. We still need
And
this
then
one. But
yeah,
now
and then
let's
substitute the new points. And then you'll get two separate slopes. You can do two separate tangent line equations, and then you have your answer.
this curve is not given. We need to find the points by ourselves. I mean, this was the just illustration for the question. So we need to solve without this. But so we want two tangents, right? So we have point A f of A, right? Let's put it y of A, okay? And we have point B f of B, right?
Yes.
We have two tangents. We have y minus A. But before that, what is the value of y of A? We can find it from this equation, right? The y squared equals 9. So here, this value is 9 minus square root plus or minus square root of 9 minus minus a squared over 4, right?
Yes.
I think we can get the two equations from this. I mean, no need to put this because we have plus or minus, right? So the first equation of tangent, y minus, I will take the positive one, okay? So y minus square root of 9 minus a squared over 4 equals, I'm taking the positive root, okay?
Well, then why did you put y minus that? Or is it meant to be equals?
I mean, you have minus from the line equation.
Okay.
So now the slope is you substitute a and the positive root. So it will be minus a over 4 9 minus a squared over 4 x minus a, right? Good.
Okay. Okay.
The other equation, it will be y plus square root of 9 minus a squared over 4 equals minus a. It will be positive this time, right? Because I'm substituting the negative root.
Yeah, it's going to be positive.
So a over 4 square root of 9 minus a squared over 4 x minus a, right?
Yeah.
These two lines intersect at what? At 12.3, right?
Yes.
Let's substitute in one of them the value 12.3. So x equals 12, y equals 3. I will start with the second line, right? Okay? Because it's close to us more than the other one. So you have 3 plus square root of 9 minus a squared over 4 equals a over 4 square root of 9 minus a squared over 4. I think I'm solving it in a complicated way, right? There must
Yeah,
be,
it feels like there should be a simpler way to
yeah.
to get the final result.
So 12 minus a. Okay, I will take a look at the solution to see the easier one. We will finish this question, just this one, but I need to see the solution. It's problem 23. He solved like this. I will now write his solution. Or we continue next time. Do you have a problem if we continue solution solving this problem, or keep it to next time? What do you want?
Leave it to next time because now it's overcomplicated. So if we restart, some people might not understand that we're restarting the whole question.
Yes. Okay. Now at the end, did you all write your names and ID? Okay. We need it for the attendance. Okay. Yes, Aisha.
Can you just check mine, please? I'm not sure it's clear.
It's written, yes.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah, I wrote my name twice, one with an ID and one without, because I forgot in the first time.
no problem. Now, I will just take screenshot of these to make it easier for later. Because later we need to fill it in the Excel file. And it will be hard to take it from the video, right? I need to make it as efficient as possible for myself. Now, What's next? Next we have after Bishop. So after Bishop from Ayan.
Sir, isn't the call recorded?
Yes.
So why do you have the screenshot?
Because it will be annoying to take it from the video. To open the video and search for the names, it will be hard for me.
Okay.
I like the easiest thing. Now after Ghala we have. But I'm still recording, so students they can make sure that I took their names from the video when they watch it. Now we have Samha to Hana Ahmed. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, okay?
Always.
Now Gaya to David.
Professor, if you already say our names, if you already take the screenshot of our name, are we allowed to leave?
Oh yes.
Bye, Professor. Have a
Bye
good
bye.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome.
Okay, have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Now we stop.